When disaster strikes in East Texas, TMT Restoration Services is here to bring your home or business back to life quickly, safely, and professionally. Fire and smoke damage. Fire loss can be complex, and smoke's unique behavior makes recovery a challenge. Our certified experts at TMT Restoration are trained to restore your space, ensuring a safe, secure environment so you can move forward. Water or flood damage, whether it's from plumbing, appliances, or a Texas storm, TMT Restoration has the tools and technology to locate moisture, extract water, and thoroughly dry the structure, saving as much as possible and preventing further damage. TMT Restoration provides thorough on-site evaluations with a precise plan of action. Got carpets? Regular cleaning every 12-18 months keeps your floors looking great, improving indoor air quality and extending the life of your carpets. TMT Restoration does it professionally, so your floors stay fresh and clean. From janitorial services to biohazard recovery, pressure washing, and complete disaster restoration, TMT Restoration is your local partner in resilience and recovery. Call TMT Restoration Services today or visit tmttexas.com to see how we can help you restore, recover, and reclaim your space. TMT Restoration, East Texas's trusted cleaning and recovery specialists.